Hi, and welcome to the Claromentis eForms and Workflows Management software. I'm Jasmine, and I'm here to tell you why Claromentis is the ultimate solution for companies seeking to improve the efficiency of their business processes and workflows. Many organizations suffer from inefficient workflows that result in wasted time and resources. This can cause redundancies, unnecessary errors, reduced productivity, and employee dissatisfaction. In this video, I'm going to show you how the Claromentis eForms and Workflows Management software can easily help you address these problems. Our digital workflow solution goes beyond simple eForms software that are often viewed in isolation. We provide a true portal that streamlines all business processes and workflows across your teams and departments. To support the eForms and workflows designed and implemented, our portal offers a comprehensive knowledge base containing articles that provide guidance and information on each process. Additionally, our user-friendly interface includes drag-and-drop components and the ability to easily add images, videos, and other multimedia content to your pages. The Claromentis eForms and Workflows portal provides all the necessary tools to optimize and automate complex business processes, ensuring compliance with industry standards and regulations, and enhancing collaboration and communication across teams. Here are some real client examples of how. Let's start with HR. Today, HR workflow management has become a key instrument to build an efficient department and organization. Automating processes to fulfill specific HR objectives, such as onboarding checklists, leave of absence requests, performance reviews, and exit interviews, have been shown to hugely improve communication, turnaround time, and employee satisfaction. Additionally, the polls and surveys functionality can be used to solicit employee feedback on a number of topics. Finally, operational workflows are essential for streamlining production and employee output, managing quality, and ensuring improved productivity. With our knowledge base, employees can quickly and easily reference any policies or procedures needed to complete a process. Our document management tool ensures more detailed reference materials, and copies of information such as purchase orders are well organized and easily accessible. eForm creation allows you to manage operational information such as inventory asset registers and supplier management lists. To learn more about our Claromentis eForms and Workflows Management software, please visit our website below or use our contact form to schedule a demonstration.